My name is Dr. Tim Grivois, Executive Director of TGS Educational Consulting. I work with schools throughout Southern Arizona on building positive relationships with students and have presented numerous times on effective interventions for students with ADHD. I'm excited to announce that our next digital workshop is called Classroom Possible Evidence-Based Interventions for Students with ADHD. It's on Saturday, December 4th from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Pacific Time and costs just $37 to register. We'll explore strategies to build supportive learning environments for students with ADHD, including play-based skills coaching with peers, recess at the beginning of the day and ideally throughout instructional time, positive reinforcement paired with clear, predictable expectations for behavior and classroom routines, and explicit training in organizational skills. All four of these strategies support executive function, and all strategies are effective for students at all ages. To sign up, go to bit.ly/ADHDZoom. But if you're registering a team, email me at tim@tgseducationalconsulting.com. Looking forward to seeing you, and until then, I hope you have many opportunities to be as generous with yourself as you are with those you serve.